and welcome back to our channel Connect to Learn. So students, we were learning about basic practices of crop production. So let's continue. So our next step is protection from weeds. You must be knowing about weeds, right? So yes, weeds are some unwanted plants which we don't require. Now let's see what is written about protection from weeds. In a field, many other undesirable plants may grow naturally along with crops. These undesirable plants are called weeds. So weeds are undesirable plants. The removal of weed is called weeding. Weeding is necessary since weeds compete with the crop plants for water, nutrients, space and light. Thus, they affect the growth of crop. Now, weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides like 2,4-D. These are sprayed in fields to kill the weeds. They do not damage the crops. The weedicides are diluted with water to extent required and sprayed in the fields with a sprayer. So you can see in the image, a man is spraying the weedicides in the field. As we know that weeds are not required, these are undesirable plants. So weedicide is being sprayed to stop the growth of weeds. And these weedicides like 2,4-D, these chemicals don't harm the crop. Yes, our next step is harvesting. So harvesting of a crop is an important task. The cutting of crops after it is matured is called harvesting. In harvesting, crops are pulled out or cut close to the ground. You can see in this image also how the man is cutting the crops. So yes, harvesting in our countries is either done by manually, by sickle or by a machine called harvester. In the second image you can see the machine, it is called as harvester, and manually it is being done by sickle, with the help of sickle. In the harvested crop, the grain seeds need to be separated from the chaff, and this process is called threshing. This is carried out with the help of a machine called combine, which is in fact a combine harvester and thresher. So in this image you can see that this machine is called combine because it has both the function of harvester and thresher. So this is called as combine. So our last step is storage. Storage of produce is an important task. If the crop grains are to be kept for longer time, they should be safe from moisture, insects, rats and microorganisms. Farmers store grains in jute bags or metallic bins. However, large-scale storage of grains is done in silos and granaries to protect from pests like rats and insects. So I have inserted some of the images, so just have a look over it. So thank you students for watching, and by this we have completed our topic.